एवरीवन, वेलकम टू IRDA। आज मैं इस वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करने वाली हूँ हमारा मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज डिस्कशन, जो कि ऑलरेडी हमने स्टार्ट किया है एंड वी हैव कवर्ड क्वाइट अ फ्यू नंबर ऑफ स्टैट्यूट्स, द वेरियस मॉक टेस्ट रिलेटेड टू देम। सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो आल्सो आई विल बी मूविंग अहेड विद आवर मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज डिस्कशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अनदर ऐप। डू रिमेंबर टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस ऑन द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू कैन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड स्टे अपडेटेड। किसी भी क्वेश्चंस या क्वेरीज के लिए या क्लैरिफिकेशन के लिए आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो through this particular email ID which is displayed on the screen, or you can even give us a call on this particular number and आप हमारी वेबसाइट को भी विजिट कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे कि आपको डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे with respect to the various competitive exams. As I was mentioning, आज हम एक नए स्टैट्यूट से मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज डिस्कशन कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं अपना, and that particular statute is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999. So basically इस particular एक्ट के अगर हम ऑब्जेक्टिव की बात करें तो ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर को, उसके डेवलपमेंट को ये रेगुलेट कर सके, इंश्योर कर सके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टू ऑल्सो इंश्योर दैट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिसी होल्डर्स दैट इज बीइंग सेफगार्डेड, स्पीडी रेजोल्यूशन हो सके क्लेम्स का, कोई भी मैल प्रैक्टिसेस और फ्रॉड्स जो है उसको प्रिवेंट किया जा सके इस पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर में। सो विद ऑल दीज ऑब्जेक्टिव्स दिस पर्टिकुलर अथॉरिटी वाज ब्रॉट इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस। नाउ मूविंग अहेड विद आवर वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडेज डिस्कशन, which section of the IRDA Act deals with the constitution of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Fund? So there is a fund under the Act which has to be created, and that fund is known as the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Fund. So basically, which section is dealing with this particular fund's constitution? And the correct option for this particular question is option E, which is section 16. So हमारा section 16 क्या mention करता है? Constitution of the fund to be called the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Fund. Now the question number 2, that is talking about the objective of the IRDA Act. So IRDA Act का objective क्या है, which is very important if we talk about any statute. तो अगर हम इसके objective की बात करें, so you can see the various options which are there with respect to this particular question. और इस particular question का सही option है option E, which is both A and C. तो हमारा option A और C क्या है? To regulate, promote and ensure the orderly growth of the insurance industry and to provide for the establishment of an authority to protect the interest of the holders of insurance policy. So basically this particular IRDA Act is providing that there should be the establishment of an authority, and that authority has to be established for what purpose? जैसा मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि प्रोटेक्ट कर सके इंटरेस्ट को पॉलिसी होल्डर्स के, जो भी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी होल्डर्स हैं, फिर रेगुलेट कर सके और प्रमोट कर सके कि एक ऑर्डरली ग्रोथ हो रहा है इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री का, एंड ऑल द मैटर्स दैट आर रिलेटेड टू दैट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो है हमारा, that is basically talking about the chairperson of the IRDA shall not hold office after he has attained the age of, the correct option is B, जो कि mention करता है 65 years. So option B 65 years mention कर रहा है, जो कि हमारे section 5 में है IRDA Act, and that is talking about the tenure of the chairperson and other members. So chairperson and every other whole time member, they shall hold office for a term of 5 years. So tenure क्या है उनका? 5 years है from the very date they are entering upon their respective offices, and वो eligible है reappointment के लिए. But no person shall be holding the office as chairperson after he has attained the age of what? 65 years, and no person will be holding the office as a whole-time member after he has attained the age of 62 years. Now moving on to our question number 4, which mentions the word IRDA stands for Indian Regulatory Development Authority, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, Insurable Regulatory Development Authority, Investment in Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, and none of the above. And the correct option is option B, which is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. So IRDA basically stands for Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, and so it is a regulatory body under the very jurisdiction of what? Ministry of Finance, and it is basically taking care of the regulation and licensing of what? Insurance and reinsurance industry जो भी है इंडिया में, and it was constituted by the IRDA Act, and इसका headquarter जो है हैदराबाद तेलंगाना में है, where actually it moved from Delhi in 2001 में। Question number 5 हमारा प्रोवाइड करता है who has the authority to establish the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India as per the IRDA Act, and options हैं आपके RBI, SEBI, IRDA, central government, both C and D, and the correct option is D, which is the central government. So section 3 हमारा lay down करता है establishment and incorporation of authority with effect from such date as the central government may by notification appoint, there shall be the establishment for the purpose of this act an authority which shall be called the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Now moving on to our next question, that is question number 6. It mentions the Insurance Advisory Committee shall consist of. So जो Insurance Advisory Committee है under the IRDA Act, that will be consisting of all, or what will be the constitution of that particular committee, and the correct option is B, not more than 25 members excluding ex officio members. So basically हमारा section 25 IRDA Act का mention करता है establishment of the Insurance Advisory Committee, and it shall be consisting of not more than 25 members excluding ex officio members who will be representing the interest of what all fields: commerce, industry, transport, agriculture, consumer fora, surveyors, agents, intermediaries, organizations engaged in safety and loss prevention, research bodies and employees association in the insurance sector. Now question number 7 mentions what is the objective of the Insurance Advisory Committee as per section 25 of the Act. So the various options you can see on the screen, and the correct option is A. The objective is to advise the authority on the matters which are related to the making of the regulations under section 26. So section 25 subsection 4 बोलता है objects of the Insurance Advisory Committee shall be to advise the authority on all the matters relating to the making of the regulations which are under section 26. Now the next question is question number 8, which mentions the IRDA Act 1999 came into force on, and the correct option for this particular question is C, which is 19th of April 2000. So Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act जो है 1999 ये extend करता है to the whole of India, and it came into force on 19th of April 2000. So ये इसका enforcement date है, and what is the enactment date of IRDA Act you can mention in the comment section of this particular video. Do remember to subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so that you can stay tuned and stay updated.